Hi, my name is Kinko Hamilton, and did you know the most powerful ingredient for teeth whitening is bleach? I know it sounds crazy because we are so used to hearing about bleaching agents such as hydrogen peroxide. And while that's important, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today that's going to revolutionize the way you do teeth and the condition of your teeth. So what is this miracle ingredient? It's polyphosphate, simply called poly-P, one of the constituents from human cells. So the first secret is it's an instant stain remover and stain resistant. The big idea here, it's a part of our skin, hair, bones, and teeth. It's attracted to apatite, which creates a power wash-like effect to lift stains off your teeth and wash away. This is important because the most teeth whitening products today contain bleaching agents, which means as you're whitening your teeth, it's actually dehydrating your teeth, making enamel thinner and more vulnerable to new stains. And so many people are struggling for that very reason. The second secret is it coats your teeth with an invisible layer to block new stains. The main thing to understand here is that it binds with the surface of the tooth. Surface of the tooth is uneven, which allows stains to sit on. This evens out the surface of the tooth to make it difficult for stains to stick and ultimately block new stains. You can drink your favorite beverage like coffee right after using it as well. The third secret is restoring enamel. The enamel of your tooth has been damaged over time, especially if you bleached your teeth. This is key because it helps enamel restore to a healthier state, which creates silky feeling, so it helps your teeth become smoother and stronger. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds incredible, but it must be expensive. Well, the tricky thing is that, in fact, it's so hard to find something that's so versatile and nurturing to the teeth and making your teeth naturally whiter. There's no product out there that gives all the benefits like this. In Japan, it's being used for hair growth, skincare, bone repair, and other clinical settings, and it's becoming a new hot miracle thing. I've discovered this instant whitening system. You can use it on the spot. And I, as a clinical master aromatherapist who understands body chemistry, what I do is to challenge the inventors of this product to eliminate cancer-causing chemicals such as methylparaben and propylene glycol, which are still used in many of the oral care products here in the US. I'm huge on detox and live a holistic lifestyle. So I go out and only look for happier, healthier options for our lives. So what I've done here is I've created this amazing instant teeth whitening system. If you click the link below, you can claim yours for free. We also have a miracle toothbrush, but today I'm talking about instant whitening system, which is amazing. I'm Kinko Hamilton, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. Have a great day.